Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check forecasted weather on the Windy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon in the right side of the screen, that's the third option. Go to the display on map section and then click on forecasted weather. Go back to your map, tap on the relevant area that you are interested in, and here you are going to see the forecasted weather information. There is a chart, a detailed chart, including all of the relevant information that you need to know. So feel free to check out the weather information of other areas as well. Here you can see the basic information, but if you are interested in the wind, tap on the wind button down below. Or you can also select the airgram. There's gonna be a chart as well. You can also compare forecasts down below. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.